First time with my bike and my pump, and it's a success so far. The bike didn't fall over, at least, and the pump didn't fall off the table. Anyways, I'm making life simpler the longer I'm on the road. Even though they say potable water up there or whatever, it's just nice to have a filtration system of any sort, just to make sure. This is going to my tank. It's not drinking water, even though it's completely safe to drink. That's all it takes at 6 gallons at a time. 48 pounds. Walk in the park, I'm loving it. Peace out until I have another adventure on the little thing.